I never knew what brought me here, as if somebody led my hand. It seems I hardly had to steer, my course was planned. And destiny, it guides us all, and by its hand we rise and fall, but only for a moment, time enough to catch our breath again.